Hey all, this is Raj from tutoraj.com. Pleased to see you all again. A few weeks back, you took an important decision of enrolling into our Build Your Website workshop. It was just a 4 hours workshop. We promised a lot of stuff like we will teach you how to do website development in just 4 hours. A lot of people said it is a ridiculously unbelievable claim. And we also went ahead and said, yeah, it is 4 hours. Also, no prerequisite. Nobody needs to know anything beforehand to enroll into the workshop. That was the claim and promise that we made. A lot of people found it ridiculous, but you trusted us. You enrolled into our workshop, and let me recap what we learned that day. We learned the basics of internet. We learned about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all that makes the front end of the website. We saw how the WordPress is architecture. We also saw how to beautify the website by changing theme. We saw how to collect user information via contact forms, contact us page, user registration and login. We built some useful utilities like Expense Manager, where you can record expenses and see it. We also saw how to host website theoretically and ways to make money. Most importantly, we learned that anyone with interest can actually become a web developer even if your academic background or educational qualifications are not from CS or IT. So we broke that myth and we gave you that confidence. Here's a look at the website that we built looked something similar to this. So we built this beautiful website. We had the name, we had an about me page, we had a contact page. We built a great utility saying record your expenses. Whatever expenses was listed here was basically shown as a table here. So this is a sample website that we built. So on a high level, we learned a lot of stuff in just 4 hours. A lot of people thought it is ridiculous, but your reviews basically proves them all wrong and ensure that we met our SLAs. Basically, reviewed each and every individual client who took part in the workshop, not only on one question, we asked them questions of 20 different metrics. You guys rated the tutor's ability extremely high. You said the workshop was extremely engaging and fun. And there was great learning scope for beginners who don't know technology. There was great learning scope for people and it was easy to learn. And you also rated the value for money to be very high and a highly satisfying experience. Most importantly, 97% of you said you would recommend this workshop to your friends. That meant a lot to us. And after giving all those amazing reviews, I also got some personal messages from a few of you who went ahead and told that you found this website workshop very useful. You started becoming a website developer. You are building a great website for your own. Few of you even reached out to me and said that is there a possibility that they could learn more in terms of how to take this skill to the next level? So I have some happy news for you very shortly.